Hi, my name is Dr. Cynthia Flores, and I'm an assistant professor at California State University, Channel Islands, and I'm a alumni of California State University, Northridge, obtaining my bachelor's degree in 2007 and then my master's degree in 2009, focused mainly on pure math and that master's degree in differential geometry. And I went on to obtain my PhD from UC Santa Barbara in the area of dispersive partial differential equations in 2014, and immediately joined the faculty here at Cal State Channel Islands, where I hope to achieve my tenure when I put in my portfolio next year. So wish me luck. And I'd like to welcome each and every one of you to the CSUN Mathematics Open House, and apologize for not being there in person, but hope that you all are having a wonderful evening. I'd also like to, so what do I do? Typically in my job? I teach ordinary differential equations and partial differential equations, as well as courses like scientific computing, advanced research investigations, measure theory. I supervise undergraduate researchers as well as master's thesis researchers, and get to be involved in the basically what is like a startup university, from community service to university academic service. And I definitely draw on my experience at Cal State Northridge as a model to follow here at Channel Islands. I had excellent mentors and faculty from, I could list you all. I still have wonderful memories with all my faculty, and it was overall a great experience that directly influenced my decision to stay in academia. As far as giving advice to math majors who want to pursue a career in mathematics, I definitely would encourage them to gain industry experience. If they have decided on a career in teaching, to obtain teaching experience so that they know what they're becoming involved in. And if I had to do everything all over again, the only thing I would do differently is not rush through the experience. I mean, I obtained my bachelor's degree in 4 years, the master's in 2 years, and even I tried to slow down and get my PhD in 5 years instead of 4. What I like best about my job is working with students, working with undergraduates and master's students, watching their faces when they have the aha moment, watching them solve really difficult problems and become independent learners, independent researchers. And probably the least favorite part of my job is having to go through mountains of grading and assign grades, because I really think that's a personal experience. It's really hard to quantify growth sometimes. What I'm most proud professionally is that recently Diverse Issues in Higher Education named me as one of 15 diverse issues emerging scholars nationally. This was it was a huge validation for me as a professor, and I'm looking forward to submitting my tenure package in September of this year, and hoping that I can achieve tenure here at Cal State Channel Islands. And so how I trained for my job was really, going through the CSUN undergrad and master's program really laid that foundation so that I can go on to the PhD and be fairly successful. I did do some small teaching experiences here and there, both with middle schoolers, high schoolers, as a teaching associate in the master's program, as a TA at UC Santa Barbara. And definitely felt that this was the right path for me. Let's see, if I was in a position where I'm hiring, say, someone for the faculty here at Cal State Channel Islands, I definitely want to see that they understand the Cal State University student population, as well as manage both a research agenda and a teaching agenda simultaneously. I think that that's another perk of my area, is that I get to continue conducting mathematics research investigations, and specifically in partial differential equations, where I obtained my PhD, and recently continue to publish in the control theory of partial differential equations, specifically dispersive equations. It's really nice for me. Let's see, what would you look for if you were in the position to hire new graduates? Got that one. Who inspired you to pursue your career? Definitely the faculty at Cal State Northridge and Helena Noronha very much mentored me into this path. Without her influence, I think I would have stuck to my career as a high school teacher and never have known about different industry options, different academic options, and I'm really grateful about that. And the faculty at Cal State Northridge who laid that foundation in analysis, algebra. The only thing I didn't get a chance to do at Cal State Northridge was numerical computation, and in retrospect, that's something else I would have done differently, was try numerical computation earlier. It didn't keep me from being the person who teaches numerical computations here at Cal State Channel Islands. Is our industry growing? Absolutely. Mathematics industry is growing with just this huge rush of computing power. You can definitely expect to find your place in a career, for example, in data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. Describing those algorithms mathematically can make all the difference to creating a successful algorithm. And so with that, I want to wish everyone a wonderful mathematics open house and wish I could be there. Bye.